In this video, I would like to propose 4 simple project ideas for beginner Python programmers. All these ideas are simple text-based games. These ideas increase in difficulty. So let's see the first one as a warm-up. The first game is a simple number guessing game where the script asks the user to input a number and tells the player if the solution is bigger or smaller than the number. So the player can iterate and give new tips until he or she guesses the correct solution. The second idea is the classic rock, paper, scissors game where you can play against the computer. The script would ask you to enter a choice and then checks the results and prints if you won or lose. The third idea would be a lottery simulator where you can play the lottery on your own computer. As the odds of winning the lottery are quite low, so to make the game a bit more fun, we can allow the player to play several rounds with the same numbers. So the script asks for the numbers in the beginning of the game, then draws balls randomly until you match, for example, at least 2 numbers. The fourth and last idea is a tic-tac-toe game where 2 players can take turns and place their marks on a 3x3 table. Whenever a player has 3 marks in a row, the script should announce the winner and end the game. If you build any of these games, feel free to share a link to your code in the comments so that everybody can learn from it. Also, if you would like to see a walkthrough video on any of these projects, let me know in the comment section.